And welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download a Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the process is actually quite simple, and what I'm going to teach you is how you can download the game through BlueStacks. So this is if you want to download the game on your PC. So let's get on with the steps. So first, what you need to do is to simply download and install BlueStacks on your PC and just simply complete the Google sign in to access the Play Store, or you can even do this step later on. So after that, just look for the Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 in the search bar at the top right corner of your BlueStacks. So just simply click to install Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 from the results and just complete the Google sign in to install Poppy Playtime. This is if you have skipped the step 2 right here. So after that, just click the Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 icon on the home screen to start playing it. And so that's it for this video. Those are all the steps that you need to do for you to be able to download Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 on your PC using BlueStacks. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.